Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up, respect, manners to each and every one. You see? Yeah, my people, I want to share this video because I have some interesting topics in this video. You see what I say? So share this video. Alright, now listen to my people. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows a man. And in the video, the man said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he get a call to come to office or to go to office. Operation manager want to see him, and that he was forced to write resign letter, as to how he said it, viewers and subscribers. I think he was trying to say resignation letter, but it seems as if he have some form of problem saying the word resignation or so forth. So me I say, no, based on more things that the person said in the video, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that he implied or said that these things happened because of a video that he put on social media about a girl who stabbed up a school girl. See? And I think some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen that video, right? Because the video went viral that he talked about, viewers and subscribers, and in that video he was wearing a security company uniform. You see me I say? No, I'm only going by some things that the person said in the video, in the viewers and subscribers, and me only try to explain in my words and according to how I understand some things that the person said. And on a real, I was somewhat surprised to hear some of the things that the person said in the video. See? And you know, I know that when it comes down to wearing a uniform of a company and doing certain things, that can be a problem for you, because you have some companies out there who might not agree with employees doing certain things while they're in uniform. Yes, I say, however, so when it comes down to this whole signing of resignation letter or writing a resignation letter, in some cases you should not write nor sign resignation letters. You get what I say? Because some of the times that can cause you to be in the wrong if you want to take legal actions against a company or companies. So I got the understanding that in a certain number of videos that are on social media, you can see the same person wearing a security company uniform, including the same video that he talked about in the video that I saw. No? And it really sad to hear some things what the person saying in the video. You know? And I can't really and truly add more to it. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? I will tell you exactly as to how I understand certain things that the person said. See? So my overall understanding is that the person said that he get called for go to office or for come to office then. See? And he also mentioned operation manager, and that he was forced to write resign letter. Yeah, me have to say as how me understand when you say. See? Rough out there, my people. Anyways, on another topic now, viewers and subscribers. I saw a video on social media that shows a man who is said to be a police officer from within the country of Jamaica. Now, I got the understanding that the man who is said to be a police officer was involved in a confrontation with a motorist. Now, I say quite a number of comments on social media that gave me the understanding that some persons suggest and are saying that the man who is said to be a police officer should lose his job. And some allegations and assumptions have been made about the person of your subscribers. However, I see a video on social media that shows a man who is said to be the motorist who was involved in the confrontation with the man who is said to be a police officer. See? And you know, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that the motorist said when it comes down to the confrontation between him and the man who is said to be the police officer. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
People, I'm making a know this. This is more time in the road and this is some incident that take place. Sometimes I must observe and watch and swag on and know the true foundation of what take place. Before I'm going to post about people to lose the American police wicked and that. And sometimes I don't know how be driver and the police involved how we do. I want to little incident with me yesterday and the police. Everything on my fault. The man that deal with me now way, just on part of my misunderstanding and my ignorance at the moment. But when I put up and I talk about the man wicked and the man this make that take place, I understand people. But people may ask, observe and see people business more time and leave it alone, and everything in them must run up on TikTok. So I know that I make it worse to the other party. And I tell you, whether I don't like it or not, everything up to me, myself, and I apologize to the Jamaica Conservative Force. I will take place yesterday shouldn't have happened in the first place. All this was happened through my ignorance. Just because I'm ignorant. You see me? And everybody trying to see the man through them name police. So what the man are idiot. You understand people? The man are idiot. They are good police, work for great police officers out there. Yes, some of them out of the way, yes. But you have great police officers out there. And I can't tell them, they see one in our post up. You don't need to know the man in person. Then they know what kind of people in our deal with. So you don't just go and see people, man, and just post up. When they know about the man, when they know, you don't question me. You don't post up to you. You don't talk about the man to get fired and them things. If a man take this to the full length of the law, you think that I not help me? Then I not help me, people. So you know, they only try to post up to you and I try to make people think life worse, And they think I better and I make it be, Years me I watching and I watch when I deal with, just a post up police and a post up people business and I don't know where I doing. But me I beg, Sometimes the whole in the video investigate before the post. Yeah? Everybody want to get famous in our post up. Just go easy, brother. I'll tell you, whoever post up I did it. Just go easy, kind of don't know where not. Only I make my life worse or no better. Just this is some doing that thing, brother. I'm begging. They don't want to get investigation, man. They don't have to just run up post. I tell you that officer they don't do nothing wrong. The man don't do nothing wrong. And my fault, everything I tell you. Because the man a reason with me. And I take it out of proportion to me now listen to the man. Because I'm sitting and I think like this some music. And just watch when other people and love people business alone. You hear that?
So, my people, based on certain things that the person said in that video, what do you think? That's why some of the times we should do our good investigations, not the bad investigation. You see what I say? Yeah, man, do research. Try and get an understanding of the situation. Don't just get ready to say, oh, that man the wrong and that man the right. You see the thing about it too, this is the thing, And some of the times I'm afraid to say these things because it coming like say, you have some people, no matter what police do, police wrong for them. Now get me wrong, You have good and bad police, And that are one of the problem too, because the bad police are cause the good police them if you get bad name. But overall, my people, without police officers or law enforcers in a country, that country can become a damaged country. War and violence and all kind of things can happen if you don't have law enforcers in that country. Everything need a balance. See? Listen to the things what the person say in the video. The person basically admit his wrong or wrongs. See? Yeah, the person basically admit his wrong or wrongs. And I think it take a really good person to admit when a person wrong. So big him up. Yeah, man, we really need to talk about that video. So I say, and my people, please share this video. Please share this video. Help bring an awareness. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have seen a video circulating certain places on social media that shows when gunmen opened fire at a person. Well, I got the understanding that a man was shot several times by two men at a bar that is located within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica, on Friday night. So I got information that the person has been hospitalized, viewers and subscribers, but up to the time when I'm doing this video, I do not have any confirmed information about the person's medical condition. See, so it is said that the incident happened within the St. Andrew South Police Division. See, yeah, it is said that on Friday night, it is said that gunmen opened fire at a person and shot the person several times and then fled the bar after the shooting, and that they were challenged by a off-duty policeman. Now, it is said that there was somewhat of a shootout between the off-duty policeman and those persons who are said to be gunmen, viewers and subscribers, and they said that those gunmen fled the scene. That's all the information I have about that situation, viewers and subscribers. So may I say, well, my people, you know, just to make you know what I know. You know, just to make you know what I know. Yeah, and I think I have some I left it now. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.